Welcome to product overview video on S-Line, our intuitive continuous beam design tool. S-Line cuts down the lengthy task of manual hand calculations, and its integration with S-frame analysis makes S-Line a very powerful tool. If we switch over to S-Line's user interface, we get a sense of how simple the program is laid out. We can take a look at different input parameters available, such as general information, member configuration, member reinforcing, and load cases and combinations. In the general information dialog box, you would specify the design code, the number of bays, which can be virtually unlimited, and the material properties of the various structural elements. In the member configuration, you would edit the section properties, the moment redistribution options, and the support conditions of each bay above and below. In the reinforcing styles dialog box, you specify the bar style for your top and bottom bars, as well as the stirrup distribution parameters. The member reinforcing dialog box allows you to edit manually the reinforcement of each bay. This includes information for the top bars, bottom bars, the face till, the clear cover, and the spacing between the bars. In the member loads dialog box, you define the loads that are applied to each bay, and you have the option to define distributed and concentrated vertical and torsional loads. Once you are done with all the input data, S-Line will create a set of load cases and combinations based on the specified design code for serviceability and structural checks. It should be noted that serviceability checks include both short and long-term deflection checks as per code requirements, which is achieved by performing a detailed finite element analysis. You have full control over the auto-generated data, and you can always edit and overwrite them, or create your own load cases and combinations based on your specific needs. You can then perform a code check and review the detailed report, which includes information on the various checks and references to design code clauses for each bay. After reviewing the code check results, you can optimize the failing bays manually or using S-Line's preliminary design feature. Lastly, in addition to the detailed code check results report, you can always review the analysis results such as deflection diagrams, moment diagrams, shear diagrams, and torsion diagrams, which also include the capacity charts for each bay. We can also review and edit the section at any point along the bays by dragging the section cursor. For a more detailed, concrete section design and detailing, I recommend watching the S-Concrete videos.